Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chanelly767. What's poppin'? Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. Today's video is another unboxing video, but we are playing in makeup by Yolando. Now this video is the same as the previous video. I have this makeup over a month ago, but never get a chance to unbox, review, and try it out. So today's video, we are unboxing this package that I have by Yolando together. So this is the box right there. And then you open it up and this is what the inside look like. So I'm just gonna open it. See, nothing in there. And then it comes with like a big bubble wrap, and you unwrap it, and then the first thing should be my receipt. Yeah, the first thing is my receipt. The second thing is like her large business card, I presume. Yeah, it's a large business card. And then you have the first palette that I purchased is Playing in Makeup by Yolando Artistic Vault by Melissa. This is what the package looks like from the front and the back. Now, I've been following Playing in Makeup by Yolando for a very long time, and she's really known for her bright eyeshadow palettes. She do have one eyeshadow palette which is super neutral and great for wedding, but most of her eyeshadow palettes are really bright and really pigmented, which I really like. And also she collabed with Melissa, which is another makeup artist I've been following for a very long time. She is known for her neat and flawless makeup application, also known for her amazing soft glam look, and she also have her own cosmetic line. So basically she plays with a lot of glitter, and she launched her first glitter line, and also she do makeup classes as well. So that's to show you how long I've been following Melissa. So when she collabed with Playing in Makeup by Yolando, I was really excited to try out her eyeshadow palettes just to see what it's like. So let us open her up and see what's inside. At the back say 30 eyeshadow palettes. That's what it say. And her side that you can purchase on, so you open it like that. Okay, and remove. And also extra bubble wrap. I must say they're really protecting their makeup. So you remove it, and wow, this is really amazing. So beautiful, so girly. I really like the detail and packaging of this eyeshadow palette, and it's glitter and there is no glitter at all fallouts from the package, which is amazing. And the same description on the box that it comes is also at the back and the front. But if you feel the quality of this is really amazing, and I really like that. So let us open her up together. Oh wow. So it comes with a large mirror and shield to protect the eyeshadow. And then just remove the shield and then show you the eyeshadow. Now, oh my god, let me just sit down properly for this. Look at the eyeshadow in there. This is so pretty. This is so detailed eyeshadow. Oh my god, it's amazing. You have the dark right there, you have your neutral, you have shimmery, you have bright eyeshadow. So I love how she chose the eyeshadow to create this palette, and it's really amazing. They are beautiful eyeshadow. Please don't chip, tap, don't swipe. That's not cute. Whoa, bit or regular, OMG clean. Oh my god, the names of the eyeshadow is also amazing. So from the palettes you can see that the eyeshadow is super rich in there, and I love the colors that she chose to create this look. I really like that she implements shimmer eyeshadow in there, because we all know that I love shimmer eyeshadow, which is amazing. So you have beautiful packaging, beautiful eyeshadow, and let us see if the swatch really shows up from this palette. Okay, so we're gonna swatch just a few of them. I will swatch Clean. Clean is this one right there. So let me swatch Clean. Oh my god, you seeing Clean? This is very creamy. Wow, this is amazing. So this is Clean. Let us swatch Glow. Glow is this pigmented eyeshadow right there. Also very creamy, very nice. It's like a rose gold. Look at that, guys. Amazing. So now that we have the shimmer is nice. It's blending out very nicely, very smooth application. Let us try a bright eyeshadow. So let us try Carnival. Carnival is like this dark bluish. Whoa, amazing. So I can't complain. So far the eyeshadow is great. They are super pigmented, which you can see, which I like. Let me try one more. Let us try look at the camera, which is this green eyeshadow right there. And let me see if I get this one. Are you seeing that, guys? Oh my god. So the pigment in the eyeshadow is very high, and it's great for especially makeup artists out there, because we all hate makeup artists out there that when we try a eyeshadow and there is no color on the eyeshadow and no blending at all. So basically just a few dab in the brush or one tap on the brush and you pick up a lot of eyeshadow, which is really amazing. So you have great packaging. It comes with the mirror. I love the colors that she chose for her palette, and it is super pigmented and it blends really nice. So far I'm really loving this palette, and I cannot wait to try out different looks with this palette. Next eyeshadow palette that I got is Bits by Deb, and once again the packaging is super safe. It comes with a bubble bath, and look at the details, guys, in this packaging right there. This is the look that she created. She created this look, and it's super girly. I really love the color that plays out, and this is the back of it. Now, I've been following her for a very long time as well. She really do come a long way. She have a YouTube channel where she explained her journey of becoming a makeup artist and her experience, her ups and her downs, and she is well known for her dramatic and very creative look. And she also have her own cosmetic line where she do different glitters, eyelashes, and also she have hair accessories as well. So when I purchased the Melissa palette, I see she was releasing her palette at the same time, so I had to have it, and it was a good move that Playinginmakeupbyyolodo decided to collab with her as well, because she really is an amazing makeup artist as well. So I decided to also show her some love and get it. And just a few disclaimer, this both palette is not discounted. I purchased this palette with my own money, and this video is not sponsored as well. It's just that my way of showing how should I say it, appreciation and love and support for especially the MUA that I support and follow and love and admire as well. So let us see what's inside, right? So you open it up and then you remove it. Also come with more bubble wrap, which I love because I have experience where I got different eyeshadow and pressed highlighter and some of them come broke. So far I'm loving it. I hope I don't speak too soon, but I'm loving that the extra security on these packages is amazing. So you remove the bubble wrap, and as you can see, it's really amazing. It's so beautiful. Do you know since her palette dropped, she created like every other day looks from her palette, which is really amazing, and I like that. She really go hard for her palette, and I really like that. So the Bit Down eyeshadow palette. So let us see what's inside. Ooh, so it comes with a large mirror. I'm just gonna bend it properly. It comes with a shield as well to protect the eyeshadow, And then this is the eyeshadow right there, guys. This is so beautiful. Look at the, oh my god, look at the details in this eyeshadow palette. This is really amazing. You have a lot of shimmer eyeshadow. She really do love shimmer eyeshadow, I must say, and I love shimmer eyeshadow as well, so we both can agree on that. And then you have some neutral, some smoky, some green, some, it's like you get mix of everything. So basically this palette is for everybody, which I like as well. As you can see right here, I'm just giving you a full close-up of it. Love the colors that she chose for this palette. Is really amazing, super beautiful. And let's see how pigmented this eyeshadow palette really is. Okay, so let's do some swatch. Ooh, honey, I'm gonna have fun with these two palettes. So the name she chose for the palette's amazing too. Cosmetology. You have Cuban Link, 1999, Billionaire, Life. Oh my god, the color she chose from this eyeshadow palette is really amazing. So I want to try black on. This is the black eyeshadow there. Now remember, if black eyeshadow is very hard, even if the bigger brands out there, black eyeshadow is very hard. Black do come out great. So let us see if her black eyeshadow is really true. So let's do a swatch about this. Black, black. Let's swatch it. Black. So girl, you get an A, you get 100, you get everything. So this is black, guys. Remember, black eyeshadow is very hard to get. Most black eyeshadow come a gray. From the pan is black, from my finger it's black, and the swatch of it is black. So you get black. So that is a A+ for me. Let us try Summer Nights, which is next to this black eyeshadow. Get it? See it? Oh my god, are you seeing this? This is really amazing. I want to try Billionaire. Billionaire is like this, like a 24-karat gold. It feels creamy. Seeing that, guys? So I really love how pigmenting this eyeshadow really shows up. It feels really nice, I must say. I want to try Golden Hour. Let's try Golden Hour. This is Golden Hour. So guys, do you know when it comes to yellow, yellow is very hard to get out of an eye. It's like you have to place different yellow for you to get a high pigmented yellow eyeshadow. And look at this yellow right there. It is super high. Are you seeing that, right? So this is amazing. The eyeshadows in this palette is gorgeous. So for summer, this is a perfect pack. For Carnival in the Caribbean, is perfect. For Independence in the Caribbean, it is also perfect. For shimmering look, it is also perfect as well. I love the colors that she chose. It's perfect. I really love this palette. So both this palette is a A+ for me, and I'm very happy. So once again, you have great packaging. It comes with a mirror. The eyeshadow is amazing. I love the colors that she chose. Very high in pigment. From the swatch, it's really nice and it blends out very nicely. Now remember, these two eyeshadows palettes are very different. If you're trying to get your hands on both of them and you say, okay, it's the same, it's not. It's two different eyeshadow palettes. As you can see, the packaging is different. Even the eyeshadow, which I will show you in a bit. Just give me a second. Even the eyeshadow is different as well. As you can see, there's no similarity in the eyeshadow palette. This one is more like warm and this one is more like loud, and I love this eyeshadow palette. Just putting it side by side so you can see the different. These eyeshadow palettes are two different eyeshadow and palettes, and they are not the same at all. So you should go ahead and purchase them. Amazing. The pigment is amazing. It comes with a large mirror, so while I'm doing my eyeshadow, I can use this mirror. You know, us ladies, especially when traveling, we forget our mirror. This comes with a mirror, so no more forgetting your mirror out there. So that's it. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for What's Popping with Chanelly 767. And don't forget, if you're interested in this palette, the description will be down in the description bar. It will take you straight to the site where I purchased these two palettes. Until next time, my beautiful people, peace, love always. Bye.